Getting a failed printer up and running or deploying a fleet of printers has never been easier with TSC Printronix Auto ID, quick replacement, and rapid deployment features. When a printer goes down in a mission-critical operation, it's imperative to get your printer back up and running as soon as possible. On a busy hospital floor with patients waiting, you don't have time to call and wait for IT to troubleshoot your printer issues. The clone feature available on our TSC printers allows you to quickly transfer settings and configurations to a new printer standing by and requires little to no technical knowledge. It's as simple as plugging in a USB drive. Once the USB drive is inserted into the new printer, the settings and configurations from the old printer are transferred to the new printer so you can pick up right where you left off. The time and effort it takes to replace our printers can be done with a few quick and easy steps. Say goodbye to deploying a fleet of printers one by one. We make it easier than ever for your IT team to deploy multiple printers with our rapid deployment feature. Simply use a USB drive to copy over your desired printer settings and configurations. Insert the USB drive into the USB port of the printer you would like to configure and deploy. Within seconds, all your features are available and ready to use. Eliminate the tedious and labor-intensive process of manually configuring your printer fleet one by one. Our enterprise product line uses a unique quick change memory cartridge or QCMC card to replace a down printer rapidly and securely. Don't worry about compromising your network security with a new printer. Our QCMC cards contain their own MAC addresses. This one-of-a-kind feature is ideal in high-security network environments. Simply remove the QCMC card that resides in your down printer. Insert the QCMC card into the new printer, and within seconds, you're back up and running. QCMC puts the quick in printer replacement. The QCMC can also be used to quickly deploy a fleet of printers. Simply insert a blank QCMC card into a pre-configured printer, power up the printer. The printer will copy the entire flash memory onto the QCMC card, including the printer firmware, any files such as fonts and logos, all the printer and network configuration settings. Once it's complete, insert the QCMC card into your new printers, power up, and the printer will be ready to run in just a few minutes. This time-saving feature speeds up the deployment process, bypassing tedious one-by-one configuration and setup. Simply flip on the power switch and get back to high-quality, high-performance label printing you've come to expect from TSC Printronix Auto ID's portfolio of productivity-enhancing printers.